Today is World Oral Health Day under the theme A Happy Mouth, A Happy Body. And this is a call upon us to remind ourselves that we should take really good care of our oral health, because our oral health is equally important for our overall well-being or wellness. So as a dentist, I feel I owe you at least a video about basic oral hygiene, whereby I'll like shortly demonstrate the right brushing technique. But the basic oral hygiene is all about brushing our teeth the right way, using the right technique that I want to demonstrate, to avoid using the back and forth motion, which ends up leaving a lot of dirt in where the teeth are coming from the gums, or where the teeth are erupting from the gums. Also to avoid destroying our soft tissues and hard tissues, which is like to destroy the gums, because with too much force, wrong brushing technique, with too much force, hard brush, we end up destroying the gingiva and also destroying the teeth, such that we end up having some kind of grooves. And also some people, they'll be saying like, but I brush, and that will be like, but I can see you are having caries, which is tooth decay, or you are having gingivitis, or you are having perio. Gingivitis is like the inflammation of the gums due to the dirt that's accumulating the teeth. And they'll be like, say, but I brush. But what is important about brushing is the right brushing technique, because if you don't brush the right way, you can brush twice a day, but you still be leaving some remnants of dirt there, which will be attacking either your teeth or your gingiva. So in brushing, I would also want to emphasize that in brushing, the most important part is the mechanical removal of the dirt, like where the brush is like actually touching the teeth and the gingiva to remove that teeth. Because I also see people coming and saying, but even if when I don't brush, I use mouthwash, and I'm like, oh my God, the mouthwash doesn't remove the dirt. The important part is the actual part of brushing, whereby you'll be removing the debris or the plaque, which is that white stuff on your teeth, sticking on your teeth. So I wanted to emphasize that. And then the next thing will be having a toothpaste. In the toothpaste, the important ingredient that we want there is the fluoride, which most toothpaste, which I have seen in general, they have enough fluoride. So, and then of course in toothpaste, of course, there will be like those foaming agents, those flavoring sweeteners, but the important part is the fluoride. I know there's a whole debate about fluoride, but it's important because it strengthens your teeth, like the tooth structure, so that it becomes hard to be destroyed by the bacteria, so that caries can form. There's a whole lot of things that I can say about this, but really I just wanted to demonstrate the right brushing technique. This is the right brushing technique, guys, with circular motions. I hope you can see how the brush like goes in between where the teeth are coming from the gingiva, and in between the teeth, compared to this back and forth motion, which will be cleaning these white surfaces and it will be clean. But here, where the teeth are coming from the gingiva, and in between here, the teeth will be stuck with so much dirt. So this is circular motion all over the teeth, even inside. And then these chewing surfaces, they are the ones that we are using the back and forth motions, because that's where the biscuits, the sweets, whatever it is that we chew, that's chewing, that gets stuck in. So we should really brush it thoroughly and hard. Even here, this lower teeth, the frontal area and the frontal area is the one for the back and forth. But otherwise, all over our mouth, we use the circular motion. I guess you can see the circular motion. And then the tongue, guys, you stick it out and then you scoop out that, stick it out.